City of Chicago adding more states to its travel advisory list and raising concerns about the thousands of Chicagoans who still haven't gotten even one dose of vaccine against COVID-19.
WGN's Julian Cruz here now with more on that tonight. Julian?
Well, Ray and Dina, the numbers are ticking up and there's real concern. Commissioner Dr. Allison Arwady warning city residents about the potential for spread when it comes to the holidays and COVID-19. At her online briefing today, Arwady especially worried about the unvaccinated and the many who will visit Chicago in the days and weeks ahead. 42 states now on Chicago's travel advisory with the addition of California and Mississippi. Unvaccinated travelers urged to follow the city's guidance by getting tested 1 to 3 days before travel. And when you return home, get a viral test within 3 to 5 days and self-quarantine for a full 7 days. Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker concerned about the potential for a new surge of infections, asking people to get vaccinated.
That is what keeps people out of the hospital. It's what keeps people safe. And so I encourage everybody to please wear your mask indoors. Please make sure that you go get vaccinated.
99.9% of what we are detecting continues to be Delta.
The Delta variant, by far the dominant coronavirus strain in Chicago, although the health department says more Omicron infections are coming, and there's concern about vulnerable populations.
We're continuing to lag, unfortunately, in vaccination uptake in Black non-Latinx Chicagoans, and then that in turn gets reflected in hospitalization and death rates, especially.
This graphic painting a stark picture for the unvaccinated, comparing Chicago hospitalization rates this year with those who have been vaccinated, prompting another plea for vaccination.
I want folks vaccinated. I want folks boosted if possible. Booster doses of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine are recommended now for 16 and 17-year-olds at least 6 months after the initial vaccine series.
Arwady pleading with the public to get fully vaccinated, pointing to free booster shots widely available by appointment at local pharmacies, outpatient settings, hospitals, or community events. Visit chi.gov/COVIDvax to get your vaccine or booster. If you've got questions, call 312-746-4835 to talk to someone.
I think it's okay to be gathering, but you should do that carefully.
For the fully vaccinated, Arwady says it's relatively safe to gather this holiday season if you take safety precautions. But with unvaccinated members of your family, holiday gatherings carry significant risk. Mask wearing with strict adherence to mitigation measures like social distancing and washing your hands, part of your safety plan, Arwady says, with testing.
Would also strongly encourage using rapid tests prior to participating in gatherings and parties, especially if everybody's not fully vaccinated and boosted.
Arwady and public officials arguing that it's going to take a team effort to keep soaring infection rates at bay. The only way to defeat this pandemic, they say, is if everyone does their part. A grim milestone reached earlier this week. Ray and Dina, as you know, 800,000 Americans have now died as a result of the coronavirus.
It's just amazing. Thank you, Julian.